same frame.
Yeah, it's double crop one.
Well, I don't know what you guys
This
think.
one or this one? This one?
Yes. I like second.
Second looks unsharp on the guy. Is it because he's blown up?
Probably.
I like this one.
Well, second one is more impact.
You don't use second.
Second is,
This one?
yeah.
Out. Out.
Out.
Out.
Out.
Out.
Out.
Out. Out.
In.
Out.
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 Out. In.
Out.
Out. Out.
In.
Out.
So just could we against this one vote because
In.
show me the against. The hands, yeah, it will be easier. Who is Liam for this one? And Liv for this one? So if you are not saying
Out.
In.
Out.
In.
In.
Yeah.
Out.
Out.
In.
In.
Out.
Out.
In.
In.
Out.
Out.
In.
In. In.
Out. Out.
Out. Out. In.
In.
Out.
Out.
Yeah. Big time, man.
Out.
it's for you to have it.
Out.
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 In.
In.
Better than in. If you want to do overall.
In.
In. Out. In.
In.
Out. 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 Out.
In.
Not a bad number.
Out. Out.
Out.
Out. Out.
In.
So easy.
In.
Out.
Out. Out.
Out.
Out.
In.
In.
Super graphic.
Out.
Super
Oh,
section.
no.